Birds in the wild are true hiding experts. Today, let's uncover the amazing camouflage secrets of birds. Birds have evolved remarkable color camouflage. Night herons and owls blend seamlessly with their surroundings to avoid predators. And it's not just the birds themselves. Their eggs are camouflaged too. Take the killdeer, for example. Its eggs almost perfectly match the gravel or sandy ground. Camouflage is not just a survival skill. It's a secret weapon for continuing life. Tawny Frogmouths rely on mimicry of form, curling their bodies to resemble branches or dead leaves. Nightjars employ behavioral camouflage, lying motionless on the ground to virtually disappear. Ptarmigans, on the other hand, are masters of seasonal camouflage, turning white in winter to merge with snow and brown in summer to blend with rocks and tundra. These strategies are not just survival skills, they are a testament to nature's ingenious design.